Many people do not find it necessary to purchase and install a license plate holder, while other people might not find it necessary to replace the license plate holder provided by their dealer. But there are many options out there for license plate holder. You can find designer license plate holder to purchase on eBay or Amazon. You can have whatever you want written on these license plate. You could put your hometown, your name, your country you're from, a pledge, or whatever you like. There are some license plate holders that are more functional than others. For example, this license plate protects your car from scratches. It also protects your license plate from dirt, dust, and UV light that can burn out your plate over time. And that is why I went for this specific setup. It came with a rubber that will be placed between the license plate and the car to prevent scratches on your paint. It came with this protective screen to protect the license plate from UV light from the sun, dirt, rain, rock chips, you name it. This kit also comes with installation accessories. It came with all the screws that you will need and these caps to hide the screws to have a smooth finish. So this is the unpacking of the actual product. Inside you'll find the protective rubber that protects the car paint from the license plate. These are the accessories that you will need to have a smooth finish. And this is a protective screen for the license plate. So I'm first going to do a test to see if they actually fit. And from my initial tests, I can see that it is a perfect fit. So now I'm going to install the license plate in the protective rubber and the protective screen. So I did this for both plates. So now I am removing the temporary plate from the car. Some cars comes with 4 holes to install the license plate, but this one only comes with 2. So I place the bolt in the little knob provided and test the cap to see if it will fit, and it did. So now I'm going to install the license plate with this bolt. So I align the bolt with the receiving end on the car and tighten by hand first, and then I do the same with the other bolt. As I said before, some cars comes with 4 holes to install the license plate, but this one only comes with 2, so that would leave 2 holes at the bottom left open. So I'm going to show you what I did to be able to use all of the caps provided. I am going to do this demonstration while installing the license plate at the front. So because the car came with only 2 holes to install the license plate, it will leave 2 holes on each license plate just open. So I use this clip from this kit that I purchased on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. So all I did, I used the clip and put it to the back of the license plate to receive the bolt. And that's how I install the tabs for the bottom of the license plate. So I simply place the bolt through the license plate and then screw down the tab to the back. I use a star head screwdriver to install this, and then I put on the cap and have a smooth finish. So I'll do it for all the license plate, both the front and the back. Now this is the easy part, just to install the license plate on the car. And as I can see, I have both the top and the bottom knobs installed, even though there are only 2 holes on the car to install a license plate. And I did the same for the back plate.